In today's tech news, Apple Inc. finds itself at the center of multiple headlines, showcasing the company's diverse operations and strategic maneuvers in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Firstly, Apple's ongoing legal brawl with Epic Games takes another turn as the tech giant rebuffs allegations of violating a court order regarding its App Store policies. Apple's steadfast defense, outlined in a recent court filing, repudiates Epic Games' claims for contempt charges. This legal tussle stems from Epic's accusation of Apple monopolizing app distribution and in-app payments on iOS, spotlighting the heightened scrutiny around Apple's App Store practices and its broader implications on the tech industry's operational freedoms. Simultaneously, Apple CEO Tim Cook's visit to Vietnam signals a noteworthy shift in the company's manufacturing strategy, emphasizing a deeper commitment to diversifying its supply chain amidst the ongoing US-China trade tensions. By bolstering investments in Vietnam, a crucial pivot away from its traditional reliance on Chinese manufacturing, Apple not only fortifies its production resilience, but also reflects its intentions to mitigate geopolitical risks. This move comes at a critical time when Apple's product shipments, particularly the iPhone, show signs of decline, pushing the company to innovate in manufacturing locales and product development. Moreover, Apple's collaboration with pop icon Taylor Swift on her upcoming album, The Tortured Poets Department, underlines Apple Music's strategic partnerships with leading artists. This collaboration, marked by creative promotional tactics and extensive planning, isn't just about launching an album. It's a testament to Apple Music's influence and its ability to foster deep connections within the artist community. Swift's notable decision to sidestep her label's TikTok ban further showcases the evolving dynamics between artists, music platforms, and labels in the digital age. These developments paint a comprehensive picture of Apple's multifaceted approach to navigating legal challenges, diversifying its supply chain, and reinforcing its cultural footprint. Each storyline is a critical piece of Apple's broader strategy to adapt, innovate, and thrive in the highly competitive and rapidly changing tech environment. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.